This month, advocates are bringing awareness to all leukodystrophies and one in particular, metachromatic leukodystrophy, or MLD. Patient advocate, professor, philanthropist, and author Maria Kafalis and Children's Hospital of Philadelphia pediatric neurologist Dr. Laura Adang join us to share why a timely diagnosis and guidance from a healthcare professional is so important. Thanks for being here.
So my daughter Cal was diagnosed in 2012 at the Children's Hospital of Philadelphia, where Dr. Adang works. MLD is a devastating disorder. The children, like my daughter, look perfect at birth. They look really healthy for the first year or so of life, and then they start losing their balance typically. She's now 12 and has done amazingly well, largely because she works with doctors like Dr. Adang. However, early diagnosis is key, and that's why we're talking to you today about newborn screening.
I work at the Children's Hospital of Philadelphia in the Leukodystrophy Center of Excellence. And our role there is to better understand rare diseases like metachromatic leukodystrophy. And so I work with amazing families like Maria and her family to really understand as best we can how to measure the change that happens in MLD and also how to improve the day-to-day care of children that are affected by things like MLD.
Thanks for all you are doing to share this. And for Northwest Lifestyle, I'm Nicole DaCosta.